CNN viewers, we have just received notice via an email alert from ABC News that a Libyan airplane that was in violation of the United Nations' no-fly zone over the country has been shot down by French jets. The downed vessel was apparently in the control of forces loyal to Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi. This is a developing story. UN Resolution 1973, implementing the no-fly zone over the African nation, was adopted by the United Nations Security Council on Thursday, March 17, 2011. That was 1 week ago from today. Reporting for Conservative New Media, this is Paul F. Villarreal.